the winning bid, the final price, the check will be written directly to the charity.
This is going to make history here.
From Detroit to the Barrett-Jackson block comes the all-new 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Just revealed at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show. A one-of-a-kind Supra with Akio Toyota's personal touch. With 100% of the hammer price raising money for two important causes. The American Heart Association and the Bob Woodruff Foundation. A legend made for a good cause.
It is my pleasure to introduce Bob Carter, the Executive Vice President of Sales for Toyota North America. Welcome to Barrett-Jackson.
Well, thank you, Craig, and it's wonderful to be here. Good evening, everyone. After 2 decades, 2 long decades, Supra is back, and we're very proud to bring the first Supra built anywhere in the world here to Barrett-Jackson, Scottsdale. This is a very special car. It is one of one. It's the exclusive paint, the matte gray paint, the red interior, and the wheels. This will be the only one produced in this color scheme. 100% of tonight's hammer price will be divided among 2 incredible charities. And I'm really pleased to introduce Nancy Brown, the CEO, and Jeanette Staluppi from the American Heart Association.
One of our great charities. Thank you.
And 50% of the hammer price will be also provided to the Bob Woodruff Foundation, who does incredible work for veterans and families of veterans since post 9/11. And we're here with the CEO, Dave Woodruff. And now it's my pleasure to introduce a friend, an American hero, Sergeant Dakota Meyer, U.S. Marine Corps, and Medal of Honor recipient. Dakota?
Thank you.
Give him a hand.
Come on, Scott.
Come on, let's raise it. There you go. Get up on your feet there.
How can you get a Congressional Medal of Honor winner here?
Thank you. I couldn't be more excited to be here with this iconic moment with Toyota, bringing back the Supra. You know, I want to start off, I want to show you where these proceeds are going. Where's our veterans at? Raise your hands. Let's give them a round of applause. The money for this car is going to 2 of the organizations that one of them has touched us, whether it's the Bob Woodruff Foundation, whether we know a veteran to support veterans, or it's the American Heart Association. So both of them are going to the greatest causes that there could be. So be generous in your bidding tonight. Thank you all so much.
Well, this is one heck of an opportunity. We are very honored to have Toyota here with us to give this opportunity here at Barrett-Jackson. Bob, shall we start?
Let's get it started, Craig.
All right, here we go.
Not only the special paint job, not only the trick #1 production car, that is the signature of Akio Toyoda, the CEO and sometimes racing test driver of the Toyota Motor Company. What a beautiful flat gray paint, red mirrors, red interior. You're not getting the right to buy the first production Supra, you're getting this car.
Mike, what do we got under the hood? Traditionally, Supras have inline 6s. Is that an 8 or a 6 or a 12?
This will be a twin cam inline turbocharged 6-cylinder.
Historically continuing.
Similar, this car designed in conjunction with BMW. They do share a lot of components. $900,000. Talked to Ed Laukus, Toyota exec, and Bob Carter. They were hoping to hit $1 million. There we are, we've done it.
What'd you say? $1,700,000 on it. I'm going to get out
7, and $1,000,888, and $1,000,888. You got $1,000,700 upstairs. Now wait, and $1,000,888, $1,000,889, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,999. Let's hear you, Scottsdale. $2 million and $2 million on him, hitting it on 2, and 2, and $2 million on him, hitting it on 2, hitting it on 2, and $2 million on him, hitting it on everybody through and everybody down, and 2, and $2 million on him, hitting it on 2, hitting it on 2, hitting it on 2, 2, and $2 million on him, hitting it on $2 million, and $2 million, and 2. Say one more thing, Steve. I think we got a few things.
Bob, you want to tell them what comes with it?
Ladies and gentlemen, with the #1 Supra, we'll provide all the provenance that you would normally expect. But this was a passion project for many of us. First and foremost, Akio Toyoda, the grandson of the founder and our current CEO, he has signed the engine on this vehicle, and because he did most of the testing, if we got a great price, which thank you very much, he's including his personal driving gear that he used to do the final testing in this. So thank you very much.
All right, I got $1,000,800 down here now, 9. You can all get in up in the skybox. And $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,850, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900, and $1,000,900. Sure you would, sir. Go ahead. And $1,000,900, $1,000,900, $2 million, and $2 million, and $2 million, and $2 $1,000,950, $2 million, and $2 million.
Toyota's going to build a lot of these new Supras, but there will never again be a first one. $1,950,000, $2 million. $100,000
and 2-1 and 2-1 and 2-1-1 and 2 million 2-1 2-2
And it's not over. We're over $2 million, and the bidding continues.
2 million 1 and 2 million 2. Daddy, all done until you told me no 3 times. I don't believe you. And 2 million 2 and 2 million 1 and 2 million 200 pound. I'd ask her, sir, if I was you. 2 million 2 and 2 million 1 and 2 million 2 and a half. Let's hear you, Scottsdale. Sold. 2,100,000.
A great friend of Barrett-Jackson, great Toyota dealer, and another great Barrett-Jackson.
Now, John Salupi, a frequent customer, he didn't just buy a car, he donated $2.1 million to a couple of great causes.